I really want to talk about the monkeys today, cause yeah, they're pretty nice. They like to play. They like to adventure, and they're just a part of my family. So yeah, that's it, guys. See ya.
Hello, Merrick.
Cut the video.
Okay, Sho, you talk about the monkeys now.
Oh, well, I love the monkeys. I never met them before. I think I have met them.
You have met them.
Cause you are one of them.
Admit it, you've met
Cause
them.
you're one of the monkeys.
Admit it. Fight, 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 fight.
So weak.
He's so weak, but he's like really weird. Okay. Bye, guys.